Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best sofas of 2026. Whether you're upgrading your living room, apartment, or office, choosing the right sofa is one of the most important decisions for comfort and style. From cozy love seats to large modular sectionals, I've tested and researched some of the best options out there. I'll walk you through the details, what I love about each one, the pros and cons, and who it's perfect for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's get started. Number 1. DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat Sofa. First up is the DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat Sofa. This 88.58-inch loveseat comes in beige chenille fabric, has spring cushions, a solid wood frame, and a removable cover. It's designed for small spaces, making it ideal for apartments or cozy living rooms. I really like this loveseat for a few reasons. The chenille fabric is soft but durable, and the spring cushions make it surprisingly comfortable for a small sofa. It's perfect if you want something compact but stylish. I also love that the cover is removable and washable. It's great if you have kids or pets. One thing to note, being a two-seater, it's more suited for a couple or small spaces. If you host guests often, you might want a larger sectional. Still, for a reading nook or a small apartment living room, this is a fantastic choice. Pros: comfortable spring cushions, easy assembly, removable and washable cover, great for small spaces. Cons: only a two-seater, limited color options. Number 2. Ihanherry 111.4-inch U-shaped cloud couch. Next, we have the Ihanherry 111.4-inch U-shaped cloud couch. This massive 111.4-inch sectional comes with 2 ottomans and 5 pillows upholstered in soft chenille. It's perfect for large living rooms or family spaces. This couch is aptly named. The cloud couch really lives up to its reputation. It's plush, comfortable, and great for movie nights or lounging. The deep seats make it easy to sink in and relax. Plus, the modular design lets you rearrange the pieces however you like, which is perfect if you like changing your layout every now and then. Because of its size, make sure you measure your space before buying. It's huge. But if you have the room, it's like having your own home theater seating at home. Pros: spacious 5-seater with ottomans, modular and flexible design, comes with 5 pillows, soft, luxurious chenille fabric. Cons: very large footprint, assembly required. Number 3. Modular Sectional Sofa, 111.5-inch U-shaped corduroy. Third on our list is a U-shaped corduroy sectional. It also includes 2 movable ottomans and offers flexible combinations to suit your space. Corduroy gives this sofa a warm, cozy vibe that's perfect for winter evenings. The movable ottomans are a great feature. They let you customize the layout for your space, or even use them as extra seating. The deep seats make it very comfortable, and the modular design adds versatility. Corduroy looks fantastic, but can attract dust and pet hair, so keep a lint roller handy if you have pets. This sofa is perfect if you like lounging with your legs up, or if you host game nights at home. Pros: movable ottomans for flexibility, comfortable corduroy fabric, deep seating for lounging. Cons: corduroy may require more maintenance, neutral color may not suit all decor. Number 4. MAXYOYO 104-inch L-shaped modular sectional sofa. Next, we have the MAXYOYO L-shaped modular sectional sofa. It's a cloud boneless couch, 104 inches long, comes with layered cushions for comfort, and requires no assembly. The navy color gives it a modern touch. What's great about this sofa is that it's completely ready to go, no assembly needed. The layered cushions are soft yet supportive, and the boneless design makes it feel modern and minimalistic. It's perfect if you want a stylish sofa without the hassle of putting it together. I like this sofa for medium-sized living rooms, or for anyone who wants a modular setup they can rearrange easily. Just remember, boneless sofas may not provide firm back support for long-term sitting, so try it before committing if that's a concern. Pros: no assembly required, comfortable layered cushions, modern minimalistic L-shape, flexible modular setup. Cons: navy color may not fit all interiors. Boneless design may not suit everyone. Number 5. Vamcheer Modular Sectional Sofa. Finally, we have the Vamcheer Modular Sectional Sofa. This black, boneless couch features deep seating and requires no assembly, making it easy to place anywhere in your living room, bedroom, or office. The Vamcheer Sectional is sleek and modern. The deep seats make it incredibly relaxing, and the no-assembly design is a big plus if you don't want to deal with complicated setups. The black upholstery adds a sophisticated touch and blends well with most decor. One thing to note, the black fabric can show dust or lint easily, so keep a lint brush handy. Otherwise, this is a very comfortable and versatile sectional that's easy to move around and customize. Pros: deep, comfortable seating, no assembly required, sleek black color, modular and versatile design. Cons: boneless style may not suit everyone, shows dust more easily. Thanks so much for watching and supporting the channel. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.